This is a video on Vindale Research 2019. It's been a while since I promoted this, guys. It's a new account, but let me do a brief overview what it is. You can make money with the studies. The site is free account. Get paid through PayPal. Okay, so you want to start up a PayPal account. The studies right here, $1, so forth. You get paid twice a month, and if you get a multiples of 50, you can withdraw. This the panel. Okay, panel offers. You can do these, apply, do the panel offers. You can do these and get paid this way to the panel offers. Okay, survey, voice, sign up with that and do that, and you get paid to them. Opinion, outposts, and these other pretty much survey joints, other survey spots. Then you got jobs. They actually list jobs. They actually just jobs. You need a job, actual job center, you know. And you got Amazon forklift, automotive parts, count, earn up to $18 an hour, Grubhub delivery driver, you know, and Amazon Ford. These are jobs. You can sign up with them. Then you got offers. Get paid extra money with offers. Everything. Yeah, they really update this site since the last time I was on it, guys. So I guess the offers trying to come up, paid offers that you do, you know, that you can take and you can earn extra money. And of course, last but not least, you can refer people, all social media, and you get $5 per referral that they sign up under your link. They sign up a free account, and they got to do one survey, guys, which is free, and they get paid for doing the surveys. And so this link right here, you're going to click down in the description, and I'm going to write up a little description on Vindale Research also. This is my 2019 review. Vindale Research, to my knowledge, guys, been around, I want to say 4 years or so, 4 or 5. I've known about it since about 2014, about 5 years. They might be around longer than that, you know. So it's a great little site. It's free, earn extra money. You get paid through PayPal, of course. So you got to put your PayPal email down there, how you get paid. And let me see if it tell you the next time that they pay you. It should come up. See, August 7, 2019. They pay you the top of the month and the middle. See, I have 0 because I just started. But you'll see more because I'm going to update you with my referrals, expiration expired, click verified. It should say get paid through PayPal, through mail, payment required, through mail, processing, clear, return, fail, rejected, reverse. Okay, sent through PayPal. That's the best one. That's the one. That's the way you want to get. That's the one you want to get paid through PayPal. That's the quickest. Payment status keys. You want to get paid through PayPal. Yep. You want to get paid through PayPal. If your payment receives marked completed, get paid through PayPal. That's how I think. How you sign up. How you put that payment in there. Your profile. Account history. I'm thinking the profile. We account history, payment center. Payment photos, earn, survey, these are the ways you can earn, account history, inbox, profile. I'm trying to say, it don't say I share that payment. How you get paid through PayPal? And they say collecting dependents and everything. Number of dependents, update profile. That's crazy. That's crazy. It's my real number. That's my real address, guys. So don't stalk a brother. Panel surveys. Payment center. Trying to think the ways. I'm trying to show you where you can put your PayPal email in there. Get paid. Damn. Say Thursday the 15th. That shit. They pay you 3 times. They told me they used to pay this twice, guys. So you get paid the 15th, the 29th, and the 1st. Next payment, damn. You get paid 3 times. Damn. That's 3 times, guys. That's 3 times. Maybe the month, because it's so big. Maybe, damn, that's 3 times. The 1st? Damn. I was with it, they only paid you twice. Oh, man. I gotta get that PayPal email to the guys and some back there. How you get your PayPal? So you get that $5 referral. And they sign with a free, you get $5, ladies and gentlemen. You get $5 with a free account. They sign with a free account. They gotta sign up with a free. They gotta sign up for a free account and do 1 survey. It could be for $1. Don't even matter. I'm trying to where you get your freaking payment option. Where you put your PayPal. Doing a bird video. See, complete your profile. Date of birth. I'm trying to see, put your payment process. Right there, right there. Oh yeah. That's it, baby. Right there. That's it right there, baby. That's my PayPal. That's it, baby. I did put it in. Ooh. I'm trying to tell you. That's what you want to put. You want to start your PayPal account. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I'll show you how to sign up. I'm going to do a video on how to set up your PayPal account. Okay. Thank you. Peace. This is Thomas Flowers. Click the link below. Sign up. Get ready. Sign up your free account. And start taking your surveys. Get $5 for referrals. And you know the first one is at the second. They paying you 3 times this month. Second, the 15th, and the 22nd. That's crazy. Come on now. Sign up, ladies and gentlemen. I'll show you how to market this or whatever. Just, use just YouTube videos as proof and everything. If you ain't got a YouTube video. And get back to the person that referred you. If you come up under me, join me. I'm starting a Facebook group, and inside my Facebook group, everything I market, promoting online, you'll follow me. Follow everything I'm doing. Sit back there. But this is for my free members that has no money to invest. Pretty much. Thank you, Thomas Flowers. I'm out. Vindale Research: How to Make Free Money in 2019 is this video. Vindale Research: How to Make Free Money in 2019 with Thomas Flowers. Thank you.